Good morning, students. Today, exercise 12.2, page number 230. First sum. Find the area of the sector of a circle with a radius of 6 centimeter if angle of the sector is 60 degree. So what are the informations are given? Radius is given as a 6 centimeter and the angle of the sector, that is theta, is given as a 60. We need to find the area of the sector. So I have written given radius as a 6 centimeter. So r is equal to 6 centimeter and angle theta is equal to 60 degree. This is what given for you. We have to find area of the sector. We have the formula, area of the sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta value here 60 degree. So 60 degree divided by 360 degree into pi, we are substituting as 22 by 7 into r square, that is 2 times of r, that is 6 into 6. Now I have simplified 60 and 360, I can simplify 6 times and then this is 6 and 6 I am cancelling. So rest of the value is 22 into 6 by 7. 22 into 6 is 132 by 7. When I am simplifying, dividing, 18.86 centimeter square. This is what area of the sector, 18.86 centimeter square. Second sum. Find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. So here what are the informations given? Circumference is given as 22 and we are going to find area of the quadrant. So given information is circumference is given for you 22 centimeter. Find area of the quadrant. So what is the formula to calculate area of the quadrant? Area of the quadrant is equal to pi r square by 4. That is 1 by 4 pi r square. 4 dividing the area of the circle by 4 times, we will get it as quadrant. So we have the formula, area of the quadrant is equal to pi r square by 4. So to substitute in this r, we need to find the r. It is given as a circumference as 22. That is what I have written in the bracket. First we have to find r, then only we can find area of the quadrant. So it is given circumference of the circle is equal to 22 centimeter. What is the formula for circumference? Is 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r is equal to 22. 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22. Now I need to find the r. So rest of all the terms I am going to take it to this side. If it is in divide, we have to write it as multiple. If it is in multiple, we have to write it in the divide when you are bringing to the other side. So 22 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. So 22 and 22 I can cancel. Rest of the value is 7 by 2. Therefore radius is equal to 7 by 2. First part is over. Now we are going to find area of the quadrant. What is the formula? Is pi r square by 4. Pi value I am writing it as 22 by 7. This 4 I am writing as it is into r value is a 7 by 2 r square. So I am writing it as 2 times. So what are the terms cancelled? 7 and 7 I can cancel. For this 2 I can cancel this 22 11 times. So rest of the value I cannot cancel. So 11 into 7 77. Here this 4 into 2 is there 8. So when I am dividing, I will get 9.625 centimeter square. Therefore area of the quadrant is equal to 9.625 centimeter square. Third sum. The length of the minute hand of the clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So what are the information is given? Length of the minute hand. If you are taking a clock, the clock is in the shape of round shape and the length of the minute hand is given as 14 centimeter. And find the area. We are going to find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So what is the area covered by a minute hand in 5 minutes? That is what they are asking you to find. So it is given radius is 14 centimeter. That is length of the minute hand. We are taking it as radius 14 centimeter. And we are going to find what is the angle swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So we are going to find that area. So angle swept by the minute hand, that is for 60 minutes angle, for the entire angle of the circle is 360. So we have taken minute hand in 60 minutes. I am taking it as 360. And next we are going to find for 1 minute means how can I write 360 by 60. Now we need to find for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is equal to 360 by 60 into 5. So when I am simplifying, 30 I am getting. Therefore theta is equal to 30 degree. Angle made by the 5 minutes. What is the angle made? First we are finding, that is 30 degree. Next step we are going to find the area made by the minute hand. So area of the sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta value is 30 degree, we have find it. So substitute, divide by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into r value 14. So 14 into 14. Now as minimum whatever we can simplify, we can simplify. 7 I am cancelling here 2 times. 30 and 360 12 times. After that this 12 and this 14 I am cancelling here 7 times, here 6 times. Then next I can cancel this 6 with the 2 table 3 times. Here I can cancel this 22 11 times. So after cancelling, what are the rest of the term is 11 into 7 into 22 by 3. So I am multiplying the numerator. 11 into 7 into 2 is 154 by 3. Therefore answer is 51.33 centimeter square. So what is the area made by the minute hand in 5 minutes is 51.33 centimeter square. Fourth sum. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter, substance and right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major sector. So read the question properly. It is given chord radius is given as 10 centimeter and it is given as right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. And we supposed to find the area of the minor segment also, and we are going to find what is the area of the major sector also. 2 subdivisions are given for you and they have given the condition use pi is equal to 3.14. So condition is also given for you. So what are the informations given? First radius is given as 10 and right angle it is given. So theta is 90 degree. We need to find area of the minor segment and major segment. Use pi is 3.14. These are the informations given in the reader. So we are going to find first subdivision minor segment. So minor segment means what? A region bounded by the chord and then the arc. This shaded part is the minor region. So I just want to find this region alone, that is A, B, this region P is the arc. If I am taking, I need this. So to find this region, what I should do, I have to find area of the sector minus this area of the triangle will give you the shaded region segment. So I have written area of the segment. Here I am taking minor, so I have written in bracket area of the segment is equal to area of this entire sector minus this triangle. So area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So now we know the formula. What is the area of the sector? Area of the sector is nothing but theta by 360 into pi r square formula minus area of the triangle is half base into height. Here it is right triangle, so I am using the right triangle formula, half base into height. Now theta it is given as right triangle, so 90 degree I have marked. So 90 by 360 into, in the question it is given use pi as 3.14. If it is given, we need to substitute that value only. So 3.14 into r value is radius is given as 10. So 10 into 10 minus half base of the triangle with the height. Base is also here 10, height is also 10. Since it is a right triangle, base is 10, height is also 10. So we are just substituting here. When I am simplifying this, 9 4s are 36. So more than this I am not simplifying, just 100 is there. So to remove the decimal I am multiplying as it is. 3.14 into 10 into 10 will give you 314 by 4 minus, here if I am cancelling here 2 into 5, this I am cancelling, then 5 into 10 is 50. Now divide this 78.5 minus 50. So area of the minor segment is 28.5 centimeter. While subtracting you will get this. Second subdivision, they are asking you to find the major sector. So to find the major sector is the region bounded by the two arc, the entire region. Okay, so area of the circle minus area of the minor sector. Minus a sector we have find it from the first subdivision itself. Area of the circle we need to find. So to find area of the circle, what is the formula? Pi r square. This is the formula, no other way, you have to by heart. Area of the major sector is equal to area of the circle, area of the minor sector. Okay, so pi r square minus 78.5. So 3, it is given as 3.14. So we are substituting as 3.14 into 10 into 10. So minus, it is a 78.5 centimeter square. So when I am simplifying here, I will get 314 minus a 78.5 centimeter square. When I am subtracting, I will get 235.5 centimeter square. So whatever it is there, area of the minor sector is equal to 235.5 meter square. Thank you.